Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new video for editing in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the app, then you should see the new project option. Click on the plus icon and you can select the video that you would like to edit. Click on it, and if you know that you would like to edit more videos, then you can select as many as you want. Click on the add, and now you can see that the videos are added. Here you can zoom out and zoom in. So here you can see that this is the first one and this is the second one. So this is how you can add videos for editing in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.